Most traders chase the next signal. Finaur is about structure, transparent algorithms, verified data, and behavioral insight. We build tools that make trading measurable. The trading world is flooded with claims, screenshots, and hype. Very few show consistent, benchmarked results. Finaur was created to make trading frameworks public, testable, and built on discipline. On the homepage, you'll find the core idea, clarity, education, and transparency. You can explore strategies, reports, and access the dashboard from one unified place. Our main focus is the algorithmic frameworks, Hercules, Trivergent, and others. Each includes full methodology, drawdowns, and performance versus buy and hold. Every report is verified through TradingView data and updated quarterly. You can also take a short behavioral quiz to understand your trading habits and discipline profile. It's an early feature, still evolving, but it lays the foundation for future coaching systems. Our resources section publishes continuous insights, psychology, risk frameworks, and algorithm breakdowns. Each post is structured for practical learning and real application. Once registered, your dashboard centralizes everything: active subscriptions, updates, and access links. The experience is fast, simple, and built for clarity. We also integrate market calendars and earnings tools, giving traders a clear view of upcoming catalysts and events directly from the dashboard. You can reach us directly, follow updates, and join our Telegram community for discussions and feedback during the beta phase. We're in open beta and expanding fast, with upcoming courses, discipline analytics, and more advanced frameworks. Join today at finaur.com. Explore the algorithms. Read the data. Trade with structure. Finaur, discipline quantified.